Hey guys, Adam from Timmy's Detailing. We've got a classic car today, Torana GTR. Very exciting project. Basically, we carried out a stage 3 paint correction to bring that nice milky white glossy look the customer's looking for. We've achieved that. However, we could not achieve that optimum results without the primer P018 from Modesta. Because it is a classic car and the customer wanted to preserve it, we went that extra mile and put a lot of heat on the panel and went pretty hard on the priming. Basically built layers, and that's what Modesta is known for, hence Modesta Plus. So that was done and dusted, followed by the glass coating BCO8. We didn't stop there, guys. We went to the next level, detailed the undercarriage, made it brand new, polished it, and so forth, and applied the 1300 degrees heat resistant glass coating, which is called the BCO6. It was off the spray gun, as you can see in the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's been all done with off the spray gun. And yeah, you've got the full package, guys. You know, the full interior, the front windscreen, EGC, it's got the whole lot. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions, guys, but it's been a great car to work on. Cheers.
There's a way to know you're in the good old days before you've actually left them.